Hi people, Carl and Jan. Today we're going to take a look at something completely different. I know that there are a lot of you out there who love to go riding on their bicycles and you like to go on trips, on holiday, bit of adventure, off-road, so on and so forth. And a lot of people have asked me about the parts of a bike bits. So we decided to make a tutorial or a video. Is this a tutorial? Yeah, is this a tutorial? Not really. It's more just a video. Not really. It's just a video. It's a video explaining and giving you guys the names of the various parts on a bike. Okay, so I would say without further ado, let's go. Let's take a look at the bike. Okay, we'll begin at the beginning. Very good. It's always good to begin at the beginning. Okay, we'll begin at the front of the bike. Okay, and if you look here, the first thing we see are the handlebars. Okay, so whichever you have straight bars or you have drop bars. Okay, the handlebars. Okay, here on the right and on the left, yeah, we have the brake levers, and obviously connected to the brake levers are the brake cables, front and back. Okay. This here is the handlebar stem. Okay, so this is the part, yeah, that you fix your handlebars to. Okay, so here, beginning at the top, we have the saddle or the seat, which whatever you wish to call it. This is the seat tube or the seat stem. Okay, if you'd like to look here, this is a brake and the brake caliper. Okay, so we have the brake pads and we have the brake caliper. Okay, I'll go down a little bit. This here is the fork, the front fork. Okay, then of course we have here the front wheel as a whole, front wheel. The front wheel is made up of the tire. Okay, maybe you have a tubeless tire, but this is a tire with a tube. Then we have the rim. Okay, and then we have in the middle the spokes and of course the axle. Same thing again. Here, obviously the rear brake or the rear brake caliper. So we have the front brake, the rear brake. Same thing again, brake blocks. Here you can see the brake cable. Okay, let's take a look at the frame of the bike. So what's the frame made up of? Well, the frame is made up of the top bar. Some people call it the crossbar. Okay, we have the seat tube. This is the seat tube. Okay, and this here is the down tube. Okay, just so you heard, guys. Okay, guys, now let's take a look at the drive system, if you so will. Yeah, if we look at the rear here, it's the rear wheel. If we look at the rear, we have here, yeah, the rear sprocket. Also, you motorcyclists out there, you'll know this. Yeah, so this is the rear sprocket. Then we have the chain, or the drive chain, we have the chain. And at the front we have the crank and the crank wheel. This is a single speed. Of course, if you have a street bike, so a road racer, or maybe a mountain bike, sort of off-road, then you have 21, how many gears do you have?
3 chain wheels at the front and 7 at the rear.
Okay, 3 at the front, 7 at the rear, 21. So, 21 gears, okay. And then you have, which you cannot see here because it's not on this bike, but you have a part that hangs down. That is called the derailleur. Yeah, is there anything else we need to know about the drive system? Yeah, the pedals. Obviously, guys, without the pedals, you're not going anywhere. Okay, I'm not going to go into too much detail today with all the ins and outs. Okay, these are just the basic parts. I hope you found that interesting. Yeah, like as always, give us a like or subscribe, whatever. Yeah, and if you have any comments or if you would like to know anything about this bike build, okay, I built this bike myself with my son. Cool. Okay, so if you'd like to know anything about the build of the bike, please feel free to ask. Okay, and I would say, guys, thanks for watching, thanks for tuning in, and yeah, See you again soon. Bye for now.